Here we go. Get her done, Josh. Professional tractor operator. He does it all. Look at him go, yeah. Oh, you feel, yeah, I'd feel real scared. Oh, smooth operator. He's real smooth. Look at him up in there, proud as a peacock. Toby Flenderson. Look at there. Oh, with such ease. We got this baby all fixed up. I mean, we got the new bearings. We put new hoses on for the grease hoses on. This one goes to this pin here. These ones go to the pins up here. We got this thing fixed up. Hopefully it works. This is the other side. It looks just as good. That's where Mike beat on it a little bit. Gave her the old sledgehammer. But you do it all, don't you? All in a day's work. I hope this works. I think it will.
Yeah, it'll work for a while, at least.
Only one way to find out. We're gonna take the tractor down there. This is gonna help us get that thing in there. It's not easy putting those in there. So we got the 2 Josh tag team. That's all you need. If you have 2 Joshes on your crew, you can get anything done. Watch him. Watch this smooth driver here. Watch it. Bingo. Just like that. You're gonna spit it out. That's a serious sandwich, ain't it, Josh?
Wow, that's tasty.
This is just delightful.
Would be happy.
I drove today. The way Josh could eat his chicken salad sandwich with grapes. Beautiful out. Sun's shining, it's cold. Look at him go! Lord have mercy.
Attract your hand from way back.
What?
Attract your hand from way back.
Yeah. Born and raised on a farm. You're hitting something? You're hitting the bottom feed wheel. Hold on. Nope. Okay. Go back down, hon. Yep, okay. Now come forward just a little bit. You're doing it, Josh. Oh yeah. Okay, we're hitting over here. Oh yeah. Do I got clearance over there? I'm hitting over here on one of them nuts coming off, or the bolts off the sprocket.
Over here.
Okay, maybe I'll get him to go that way with a little bit, hon. That way it's a little bit. Yep. Nope, that made it worse. Right there's our problem. Come on, Joshua. Get her in here. Lift her up. Keep going. There we go. You want to go up? Josh is irritated with my hand motions. Okay, now come on. Come forward. There you go. You're doing good. Come on. Yeah. A little more, hon. What? Yeah, it's a 60-ton chipper you just ran into. Okay, hold on. Lift it up a little bit. Yeah. Boy, I can almost get my cylinder pins in there. Put the parking brake on in case somebody calls you.
Yeah. Yeah, that was cool.
She was just blowing the smoke out. Yeah. It's coming together. A little better than I thought. Is there any 9/16 bolts up there under that snow?
Back I see.
Okay. Okay. Hey, Josh. The little bolts that Randy's pins. I can do that later. And it's got to get this pin in here. I just need to let it up or down a little bit, and I'll get this pin in here. Then you'll back up a little bit, and we'll lift it up and put those top pins in. But I guess I could put my hose on right now too. I just need an 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch, 1.5 inch, an inch and 5/16.
What you do with them pins?
I don't know where the bolts, I thought I left them up there somewhere. I don't know. They could be in the laundry at home for all I know. Let it down just a little bit or pick it up a little bit, Josh. Put it back down. Here we go. Hey Josh, can you give me an 1.5 wrench and an 1 5/16? Thank you. Go. Got those two done. So far we're doing good. We get the cylinders in. Those pins are both in. We'll hook up both these hoses. Then you back the tractor up a little bit and hit the forks on the end out here. Pick up both ends and you put both pins in the outside. Then I gotta hook up my grease hoses. Thank you. push it back a little bit. So close. Yep. Okay, I'll have him come slow forward. Yep. Woo! I'm happy, happy, happy. Let's go in the belly of the beast here. Take a look. I'll show you what we got going on. We already fired it up. We already had the feed wheel on. And it was lined up enough where it didn't give us any fits. Is that not the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Isn't that pretty, Josh?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. I mean, got our new hoses on here and here. Look at all. See, got your new grease lines here, up there. Look at that. See, up there, right here. The new grease lines to all of our bearings. New bearings. Again, we fired that up, turned that on, and that rolled fine. So she wasn't bound up at all. That one, of course, is just as pretty as ever. But that thing right there is just beautiful. This is. Oh, I already have chip bean. You want to stay next to it, Will, so I get a picture of you?
Yeah, I'm the one who fixed that.
Will fixed it. He just got here 2 minutes ago.
I have been working on it.
You have not.
I have too. I held the chain for you.
See, he's a truck driver. Oh, I gotta put this guard back on. Right here. Man, tell you what, it was work, but we got it done. And we're gonna try this wheel out and see what happens. That's all we can do. You like it? No. Paul's skidder ain't that bad. Want me to go make a video of it?
Inside job.
Inside, yeah, inside. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey. Project complete. Now we just need our 2 bars for the bottom that Rob's bringing out. And then we'll be good. Josh is mad because Paul's in his skidder. He's not, but he's not. He doesn't belong in there. Just got this chipper fixed. I'm rolling wood out of here finally. They're bringing me some wood up. We're getting it done. I hope this feed wheel lasts, and I'll let you decide. You take a look at it working since I can't see it.